Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Ford Fusion SE. Under the hood we have a 2.5 liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black. It looks great. You do have the Ford badging right there with the chrome accenting on your grille. And you do also have projector style headlights right there. And coming around the side here we do have our tires. They look fantastic. They are Bridgestone brand tires, and those rims look very nice as well. They are 18-inch rims. They look great. You do also have heated exterior mirrors here with the turning signal on them. And coming all the way around to the back here, we do also have our SE badging. We have our Ford and our Fusion. We also have our backup camera here. As long as it's unlocked, just gotta press this button. It opens up for you. Lots of room back here as well. Looks great. Very soft as well, so nothing will get scratched up back here. You can lift this up. You do got your spare tire under there in case you did need it, and you can fold those seats forward as well, just in case. Okay, we got our keys here. 2-press unlock there. We got that one to lock it. We do have 2 presses for that guy to open up the back, and we do have our panic button there. Plus, we can press the button and the key comes out like that. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here and here, as well as you have your handle here. Place to put your arm, very soft and nice. You do have a handle here and some storage down here with a water bottle holder. Very nice interior as well. The cloth is very comfortable, nice and squishy. You do have electric seats back here, so back and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support there. And then right over here we do also have the controls over the lights. So we have our off, our daytime running lights, our low beams, and our auto. We also have our in-cabin light control here and here, and this guy here does open up the trunk. Now we do also have our turning signals right there, as well as our high beams. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge. We got our engine temperature there. We also have on the other side what station we're on, and then we can switch that guy over here around a little bit so we can see the display mode, the trip 1 and 2. We got our fuel economy, information, settings, and then we can go back to display mode. You can customize and change that all around if you did want. Now on the other side we do have that guy there, and we can change that around as well. So we do have our entertainment, phone, navigation, or our compass. We can access all that through there. That is controlled from your steering wheel, so this is for the left side, this one's for the right side, as well as you have your cruise control options there, horn in the center, and your volume up and down with your skip, as well as your Bluetooth options there as well. Now we do have our touchscreen display here, so up here we do have our phone options if we had one hooked up. We have our radio down here, and we do have FM, AM, Sirius XM. We have a CD, we can play stuff through USB, Bluetooth, SD card, or our AV. Then you have your climate control down here, so you do have a dual climate system for you and your passenger, as well as all the other stuff there. And then right up here we do have an SD card slot for the navigation if we did have one. Down here we do have our CD player. We have on and off with the volume up and down. The tuner here. We also have our skip and eject and all that. Then down here we have our heat up and down with the power, all that. And then you have your AC. Oop, don't want that right now. Then you also have your defrost, your rear defrost, auto, max AC, AC and all those circulation and stuff. Some storage just down there as well. Then you have your gear shift here with a backup camera right there if you are in reverse. Then you have a electronic parking brake here. Right here is your cup holders. We can open this guy up, and we've got some storage down here with the AV plug-in. We have our SD card. We have the USB plug-ins as well, and got lots of room in there. Close that back up. And over here we do also have our locking glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. And up top we do have the control of our sunroof. We have our door lights and all those, as well as we have a sunglass holder there. And there is our sunroof, looking real nice. Okay, let's take a look in the back here, open this guy up. On the door here we do have control over our windows. We have a handle here. We have the opener there, place to put your arm, nice and comfortable, and some storage down there. Very nice interior as well. It is the same material as the front. Feels fantastic. You also have this guy you can fold down. You got an armrest with some cup holders. And you can also fold the seat forward just by pulling that. Folding it down, then you got even more room if you did need it. And there's a 2.5 liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2014 Ford Fusion SE. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.